Alright, so I'm partway through the replacement of the PCV valve and the breather filter. It sits underneath it on my 89 Lincoln Mark VII, the LSC, the 5-liter high up at V8. So I just thought I'd make a short video kind of showing the replacement process and the location of the filter, the PCV valve, and just all of that. Alright, so this video will be pretty much the same for any car that has this motor, like a Fox by Mustang or something like that. Alright, so the little, I guess, recess where the PCV valve sits in is it's not located on the lower intake manifold, and right towards the rear, towards the firewall. Try to get some light in there. Alright, yeah, as you can see, I have the new filter sitting in there right now. I was able to get the old one out by prying up on one of the tabs. There's some tabs along the top. You can see one from here. I just pried one of those up and then was able to use some needle nose pliers to kind of wiggle it loose and then pull the whole filter out. So that was probably the hardest part of the probably will be the hardest part. I still have to put the PCV valve grommet and the actual PCV valve back in. But so yeah, that's where that's located. As you can see, I've got the upper intake, I guess, the plenum off. So if you still have that on, it might take a while longer, and you'll have to lean in on the engine to get to it. But yeah, so I've got the old filter right here. And as you can see, it's this side, it doesn't look too bad, but the other side, so yeah, just completely clogged with oil, pretty much oil sludge. So yeah, definitely a good thing that I'm replacing that. Yeah, it's a pretty small, cheap part, but yeah, pretty important, just so there's less pressure inside the engine crankcase. But anyways, this is a replacement part put in. It's a Wix part. Oh yeah, one more thing. Yeah, so there's one of the tabs that I was able to pry up, and yeah, I just used some needle nose pliers to just kind of grab onto that tab and then just pull the whole thing out. So yeah, that's how I was able to get that out. And yeah, here I have the new PCV valve, and right now it's in the grommet, sitting in the grommet. And this is the old one. Yeah, very stiff. It's probably pretty brittle, but yeah, there is some oil in there, and yeah, but also below the PCV valve filter kind of thing, breather filter, there's also a lot of oil sludge that I cleaned up as well. But yeah, and basically all I have to do now is just drop this thing in, and yeah, I'm also going to replace the vacuum line going from the PCV valve to the upper intake, just because the old one I have is full of oil. There's still kind of see there's still some oil in there. But yeah, the vacuum line is 3/8 inner diameter. Yeah, so yeah, I just thought I'd make a short video kind of explaining that, and yeah, hopefully some of you viewers this will be able to find this video helpful. And yeah, also, if enough people see this video and want to see like a tour of this car, it's in rough shape, but the interior I've just finished kind of cleaning it up and throwing in some new parts, so definitely make a video if enough people are interested. And yeah, thanks for viewing, and yeah, hopefully somebody finds this helpful.